Hello friends, today in this video I will be showing you a advanced WYSIWYG advanced text editor which is specifically for React applications. There is a special library for it, for using it inside React application. So the WYSIWYG editor name is SunEditor. So it's a very advanced WYSIWYG editor where you can just embed images, videos and audio as well. So if you just type here SunEditor, this is the name of the WYSIWYG editor. This is the editor here, and it's a lightweight, flexible, customizable WYSIWYG editor. You can see that here you can embed images, videos, you can underline the text, also change the formatting of the text. This is a very simple example of the SunEditor WYSIWYG editor. It's a completely free editor, you don't need to pay, and it's completely open source. And you can also embed it inside your JavaScript applications, your Angular applications. Today itself we will be looking at how to embed this inside our React.js application. You can also have tables, videos, images as well. So you can just see here, you can also toggle full screen as well, like this. So this is my React.js application. You will see that I have created a brand new React.js application, and this is the widgets that it gives you. You can change the size of the text, you can change the format as well. You can have a heading here. Let's suppose you want to write a heading, you can write it. You can also change the color as well by applying custom CSS. So you can see it is there inside yellow color. I can change the color simply. This is a default style which is applied to it, so I can change the color to red color. So now the color will change to red color. So basically you can also change the size, as I told you. Just select it and change the style. And now if I write anything here, you will see that this is a WYSIWYG editor. You can see that. And the nice thing about it, guys, you can also embed tables. You can select the grid, how much tables you want to insert. This is the table. You can give number 1, number 2. You can like this. This is a table. You can also insert a row like this. These are the tables that you can insert inside this WYSIWYG editor. And you can also insert images. So either you can choose it from the local file system like this and click on submit. So this is your image. Let me see. It is there inside. Let me remove the table first of all. And now if you want to choose the image, so now you can see this is the image which is shown to us. This is the first image. And if you want to embed multiple images, you can select 2 images. Let's suppose this one. Click on submit. You can see that. You can also change the height and the width of the image. Simply if you select the image, and here you need to select, you can give the custom width and height to the image, 600 by 1200 height. You can also insert some description also like this. So the height will, you can see that height will change it. You can also embed videos as well. So you can embed YouTube videos as well. So let's suppose you have a YouTube video. You can go to YouTube here and you can embed any sort of YouTube video. Just copy the link address, and if you just go to it, so this is the YouTube video which is embedded inside the text editor. You can see that. You can play this video here also. You can edit the options like this. You can also rotate it like this. So you can also embed audio as well. So there is the audio URL option also available to you. So these are all the advanced option, guys. It tells you. You can also change, underline something like this. Go underline it all the things are available to you. So these are some of the widgets and things out there inside SunEditor. So let us implement this from scratch inside our React.js application. So I have written a complete blog post on my website, which is this blog post. So you can copy all the source code with the example code. So just go to the description of this video and go to the blog post. So now to create this, you simply need to go to the projects folder. Let me create a new project editor and create a new React app. Create React app. So this will create a new React app here. So just wait. So it is just creating a new React app. So just wait. So now it has created this. So we can move into the folder. Open it inside Visual Studio Code text editor. And now we need to install this dependency, guys. So suneditor-react. So this is a specific React dependency. So if you search this, so suneditor-react, this is the dependency that we have installed. So if you want to use it inside React.js applications, this is the module. So 12,000 weekly downloads. So after you download this, simply we need to include this. So it is very easy. At the very top, you need to include the dependency, which is sunEditor from suneditor react, and then we need to import the CSS file. So one thing I forgot to tell you, this you need to just write dash dash force. So it is not compatible with the latest version of React, so you just need to write dash dash force. So now you need to import the CSS file. It is present inside dist folder css suneditor.min.css. After that, you can initialize the SunEditor. Just close it. We haven't passed any sort of options. So if I just start this application, you will see a barebone WYSIWYG editor is there with the default options. So this will start this at localhost 3000. So now you can see this, we got this editor with the default options. You will see we have got the toggle full screen option as well. So these are the code view option like this. You can also bold it, underline this. And now we can pass some options guys to it. So simply there are some options available to us. So to make it flexible, the first option that we will pass is autofocus. So the main motive of this option is that when we load the application, it should automatically focus for us. So autofocus, this takes a boolean parameter. So if you make it true, then it will autofocus. The default value is true. If I make it to false, so then it will not autofocus. If I refresh it, now you can see it will not autofocus. The next option is that you can provide a placeholder text inside this. So this will let the user know where to type. So there is an option which is called as placeholder. So we can tell the user by this label text, enter the content here. So if I refresh it, you will see that enter the content here. This is just a placeholder text letting the user know. And then we got the width and the height properties. So this you can control it by passing variable width and height 600 by 200. You will see that you can control the width also like this also. You can just drag it to control the height like this. And also guys, if you can also change on change event handler is also there. So whenever you make something whenever you write inside the editor, this function will automatically trigger. So you can just get the content which has been written inside the editor like this. You can just print it on the console, or you can get this inside the variable simply like this. So now if I write something here and if I go in outside editor, so now this function will fire, and in the console you will get all the data which the user has written inside the paragraph. You will see that. So if I just make it a heading, let's suppose if I underline this, so you can see there is been underline. You can see you will get the HTML code of this content. If I make it bold, you can see strong tag will be there. So this is meant by this. The next option is that guys, you can change the CSS properties of it by using set default style property, and this takes the CSS property. You can change the font family to cursive, and also you can change the color of the text. Here I tell you blue, and you can apply any sort of CSS property to the text. You can also change the font size to 60 pixel like this. So if you refresh it now, you will now see the text color is changed. The font size is also been increased. You can pass any big value here, 160 pixel as well. If I test it now, you will see that the text has been increased. You can see that. So in this way guys, you can do these options. And for the plugins option guys, now to embed images, videos and audios, there is one such option which is available to us, which is set options. This is the way by which you can embed inside this. There is a button list property, and this is an array, and here you can include bold, underline. So these widgets will be there specifically for this WYSIWYG editor: italic, strike, list. So if I just see here, it will be added inside this editor. You will see that if I refresh it, now there will be an option in order to do this list set options. So we need to If I paste it, you will see these are all the widgets, these are all the plugins which are available for this WYSIWYG editor: table, image, video, audio. So if I refresh it now, you can now see there is this image module. Here you can just select the image, whatever image that you want, click on submit. The image is embedded. You can also embed a video as well. Just copy the video that you want to embed, copy link address and paste it here, and this is your video is embedded. You can also choose the audio as well. So in this way guys, you can select all these widgets. I have shown you step by step how to implement this inside your React.js application. Hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.